Hello and welcome to IBC 2025. You are the camera scene at the Blackmagic booth. We are here to present you the PYXIS 12K, which is the latest in the PYXIS family. This camera is a fantastic combination of technology and usability. First of all, we would like to get into the sensor technology of this camera and why we actually build this camera and how we house this technology. So we are using a very incredible and unique sensor technology. It's an open gate, full frame format here, and it's actually an enclosure for the RGBW-sensor that we already use in the 12K Ursa Cine camera. So that means that you got the same powerful sensor in a smaller enclosure. The enclosure is the PYXIS body, so the form factor is very, very tiny. We've seen these in the 6K camera and now it's being translated into what it is, the 12K. Why we did that? We want to solve the issue of people that need to access higher resolution or perhaps a faster sensor readout or even the in-camera sensor scaling where you don't want to crop the sensor, but also a need to mount this camera perhaps in a more agile rig or maybe a jimmy jib or a glider or handheld usage. So the usability of the camera is really, really important to us. The camera comes with 3 different mount models. So we got a PL, we got an L, we got an EF, and this needs to be chosen upon purchase. So also what we got here, you can see we got a side screen. This is a 5 inches monitor, HDR with 1500 nits of brightness. That means that you can use it in bright condition and you will be able to assess the exposure quite nicely. In terms of usability, it uses the same sort of OS system, so the operative system of any other Blackmagic camera. That means that if you are moving from a pocket cinema camera or back from the Ursa Cine camera, you'll be at home and you'll be very easily acquainted with the menu of the camera. Connectivity-wise, we have the typical broadcast connectivity, such as an SDI, BNC for the output and the monitor output, which means Ultra HD at or perhaps an HD output monitor. Along with that, we got a BNC, and this BNC is for timecode or reference input. And then beneath that, we actually reveal a 10 gig connector, which allow you to have an agile workflow to offload your media quite quickly into what could be perhaps a post-production facility, maybe running DaVinci Resolve.